how are you? Today we are going to learn how to install and download Microsoft Excel new version. Let's go to Google Chrome. Here we will type Office Development Tool. Here it is. Okay. At first we are seeing the official website of Microsoft Excel. We'll click on the link. Then it will take a little time. And then here is the download option. You can see. Now we will click on that. The exe file is downloading right over here. You can see this. Okay, so it's downloaded. So we will open it in a folder. Here is our folder. So now we will copy it and we will paste it where you want. I will paste it at the desktop. Here we will make a new folder, name it as a milestone, and after creating a folder we will click on it and Control V. Here is our exe file. Now we are going to make another folder here, new folder. You can type any type of name here which you love. I will give it a name as shootout. Okay, we had created another folder. Now then click on the exe file we had downloaded. Now right click on it and run as administrator. Now you will get this type of layout. On some windows it will be different. Click on yes, accept the checkbox and continue. So now we had to find the file we had written. Like this, we go to this PC, desktop, and here is the folder we had made. There is a folder shootout. We'll select on it and OK. File extracted successfully. Okay. Now we had to double click on shootout. So now you can see we had this file. At the end we are getting a setup, but these three files are not important for us, so we will select it and go to delete. Now we will select this one file as our new version. Now after deleting the files, now you had to click on shift and a right click. Now you can see an open PowerShell window here. Click on it. You will getting the blue type of frame right over here, and through this here we will add a path here. You can get the path on the description below. Here is the path. We will copy it, Control C, and paste it right over here, like this. Okay, click enter and yes. Okay, now after clicking on the yes, you will get this type of frame. It means that your Microsoft is ready to install. Now it will take a time. We will refresh it and we will wait for it. So it is beginning the downloads. So we will wait for it. It will take a time. So I will forward it. So it is almost done. Okay. After this completion of this, you can access all these which are showing what file PowerPoint. A little bit time it is taking because it is a little heavy file. That's why. It's almost done. Okay, the download is completed. Okay, now you will getting the frame like this when it is completed. Close it, then go to Windows and write Excel. By the way, I had downloaded first before, that's why I am getting it. You will type Excel, you will get the app, and the app will open it like this. You will getting all the features which are in premium. Thank you for your